my darling. Welcome to another interesting video. Today, I'm super excited. Because we talk about Neringa Križiūtė. She is a content creator and body influencer. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Modern artist, let's start. Neringa Križiūtė, a Lithuanian beauty, is turning heads with her curvy physique and bold fashion choices. Famous for her love of bodysuits, Neringa knows how to flaunt her curves in style. Whether it's sleek, casual, or elegant bodysuits, she owns every look with confidence. What makes Neringa stand out is her unapologetic approach to body positivity. She embraces her natural curves and encourages others to feel empowered in their own skin. Her fashion choices, especially her bodysuit outfits, show that confidence is the best accessory anyone can wear. From neutral tones to bold prints, Neringa's bodysuits are versatile and always on trend. She inspires her followers to experiment with fashion while staying true to themselves. It's no wonder she's gained such a dedicated fan base. So if you're looking for fashion inspiration that celebrates curves and confidence, Neringa Križiūtė is your go-to. Make sure to follow her journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion updates on incredible models like her. See you in the next video.